So, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another live stream. I just have seen in the comments, guys, I'm sorry that I'm a little bit late, but I had some technical issues today. So, what the hell was that? This is what people are thinking when seeing this market. Bitcoin down. Everything was absolutely crashing today, okay? On fire, and I have a couple of explanations. And I might know, or not know, but I maybe can explain what could come next to the market, okay? But let's have a look. So first of all, what happened, the S&P was down, Dow was down, NASDAQ was down heavily, right? Virgin Galactic was down, I think, 4 or 5%. Right now, it quite nicely recovered as well. And if you look in Bitcoin was absolutely crazy right today. So we started the day about 42 and then it went down. And then we had like a flash crash up to, I think the lowest point we get was even 29 on some exchanges. And then we recovered since then back to $40, okay? $40,000. That's currently what's happening. And now I want to dive into why it's happening, okay? The live stream will be not too long because I don't feel good today. I don't know, I have a huge headache, but I cannot miss the live stream for you guys, obviously. So I want to welcome a couple of people here. So we have people from Wakanda, we have people from Germany, we have people from Netherlands, Connecticut, we have people from home, we have people from the spaceport watching, we have people from Stopkov City, we have Chennai, we have Denmark as well, Germany, we have US&A, and this is very appreciated, guys. So I actually want to dive in the first graphic, which is the following, okay? This is a technical trader out there. His name is Sven Heinrich. You can follow him on Northman Trader. Very good technical guy, and he summarized it nicely how the stocks that were kind of on fire, right? How they performed over the last 3 months since actually the peak of 19th of February, okay? You had Bitcoin minus 32%. You have ARK Invest minus 31%. You have SPEC minus 30%. So you can see here, and I think he pointed something out, the speculation peak, okay? Now, what's actually happened on the market, you have seen specifically in January and February that everything went absolutely nuts, okay? We have NFTs, we have altcoins, we have Bitcoin, we have absolutely everything just went crazy, okay? Crazy. And that's why I believe that this could be considered as the speculation peak. And we are in a kind of rotation, market rotation, trying to find its right valuation. And that's quite hurtful and can take a couple of months, okay? Now we don't know what's happening with the inflation, how the Fed will react in the mid of June, that this will be the next meeting. So there will be very much unclarity. The earnings were great, but it didn't push the market so much. So there is something in this market that is a mixture of FOMO. People don't want to have the fear of missing out, right? Oh no, if it's going down, I have to buy the dip. On the other side, there's this risk, right? We went 30% down from some speculative stocks and market and other assets, but how low can we go? maybe even lower over the summer. Maybe we have like a neutral summer even. So these are the things that will be on our radar for the next couple of weeks, guys. And I think maybe by mid of June, when the Fed finally will decide the next step, whether it's, putting down a little bit of the, gas pedal that they are on. Maybe this is then the relief for the market. So I in my personal opinion, we are not out of the waters now until we have like a bigger event, in my personal opinion, where, maybe the stocks go, many stocks go upper the 50 moving average or the 200 moving average, or the Fed will do something. So I think, until then, mid of June, so again, 2-3 weeks, we will be in this kind of, bubble, right? Not really high, not really lower, right? Then crazy days like today. And then a little bit neutral days and days where, we have like 4-5%. It's like going up and down with the direction further down. So this is, in my personal opinion, what's happening. Make sure to follow my second channel as well, Wolf of Dubai 2. Then you have also the technicals. Okay, speaking about the technicals, you can see that actually something bad happened to the S&P 500. We outbroke down, all right, and now will be the question: will this trend of the outbreak down hold itself, or will it quickly recover and we will be saved again? This will be also a question from the technical standpoint. And then obviously, there was one more graphic. Let me see where I have it. I think here. Yes. And here you can see actually the madness. Okay. Now people say, oh, why it's down? And, I cannot bear it. The market was so bad, and so on and so forth. But guys, look at those numbers. Look at those numbers. Look what happened for Apple, 82%. For Microsoft, 43%. Amazon, 76% up. Tesla, 743% up. Nvidia, 122%. PayPal, Adobe, right? Netflix, all of these crazy stocks. They're not even crazy. They are like normal stocks, but those technological stocks got a huge return last year. And now, beside that, you have the performance. And as you can see, the light blue ones are actually not that bad, okay, compared to the dark blue ones. So as you can see, there's still quite a room to go down. And with that said, I think that, either way, I think when you concentrate on the long term and the long-term holdings, I think you can be very, very rewarded in a couple of years. But this should be the only focus. I mean, to try to trade and get in and out of stocks on the short term, and then comes a day like this, and you can lose a lot of money. So be fearful when others are greedy and other way around. But I think that current markets are hard to manage, okay? Definitely, even for me, But I'm a long-term investor, just put more and more money every month into stocks and, hope that one day they will be worth more, okay? And some are doing it, exponentially, like Tesla did for me, and it make a huge amount of money. And some stocks are just a little bit slower, right? Like Peloton, for example, or Beyond Meat, right? Since I invested into those companies, I had maybe 20-30% return. But this is for a year. It's pretty good, right? So, don't be too much catched by this quick, rich, crazy returns, because this was an exemption. We had a very special year, and now it's really important to look on fundamentals of markets as well, of the real valuations, why Tesla is worth $500 million, right? $500 billion. Why this company should be worth X times their earnings, right? Things like this should be definitely on your mind currently, and still you can find some nice fine undervalued assets. And therefore, with that said, I think this was a nice small sum up of today's market. So hope you like it. Make sure to smash that like button and make sure to follow me on Instagram. I go to rest now, and I hope you're doing fantastic. Stay healthy, because this is the most important thing. Stay safe and have a fantastic buying the dip day.